If Maxim's dust bag is full, not installed, or its opening is closed, Maxim will not be able to self-empty, and the indicator light on the charging station will turn solid red. Alternatively, if heavy debris clogs Maxim's dustbin or his charging station, the indicator light on the charging station blinks red, and Maxim will not be able to self-empty. You may also notice that the self-emptying process sounds different. To remove the congestion, clean both the dustbin and the station. It's a good idea to lay down cleaning rags or paper to catch any dust or debris that may fall out during the process. To clear debris from the dustbin, remove Maxim's top cover. Press the dustbin release tabs to remove the dustbin. Remove the filter. The filter compartment is fixed and does not open. Use a suction device like a handheld vacuum to remove heavy debris. Open the dustbin and manually clear the heavy debris inside. Check the entry and exit flaps on the dustbin and clean any debris gathered in these areas. You can also wash the dustbin with soap and warm water. Allow it to dry completely before reassembly. Check the disposal vent aperture on the dustbin and on Maxim to make sure they are not obstructed. Check the main brush compartment and its opening to the dustbin. Remove any dirt, dust, or debris that may be tangled or stuck in the area. To clear debris from the charging station, remove Maxim from the station. Unplug the charging station from the outlet. Pull the dust bag compartment panel toward you to remove it. Slide the dust bag out by pulling the tab to seal it. Set the dust bag aside. Tilt the charging station onto its back. Use the cleaning tool to clear any debris from the air pathway canal by reaching inside the canal and cleaning it from both ends. Use a long-handled bottle brush to scrape away any residue in the air canal, ensuring it's clear and open from end to end. Turn the charging station upright. Slide the dust bag into the guide rails. Push the tab all the way in to ensure a secure fit. Place the front panel back in place and plug the station into the wall. If the congestion is removed and the bag is installed correctly, the LED indicator on the charging station will shine blue. Finally, send Maxim to dock or manually place him back on the station. Once docked, the LED indicator on the charging station will turn off. Press Empty in the app or press the Charge button on Maxim to initiate a self-empty. For additional help, feel free to get in touch with our support team.